Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the prefix sub. Okay, sub can mean under, below, beneath. So a submarine, it goes below the water. Or sub to indicate a position that is subordinate, that is inferior. So a subordinate is not the boss, is the person who is ordered around. Or you could use sub to divide things into parts, a subdivision. Okay, so it's divided into other parts. Or partial. That something is incomplete. It's not complete. It's perhaps it's a section of something else. So sub, less than, sub-zero temperatures, a subtropical climate. This is substandard. A submarine. A subway goes underneath the ground. To subdivide, a subset, a smaller part of something. So sub, it's in a lower position. So as a physical location, subterranean, underground. A subcommittee of lower importance, of secondary importance. It's subordinate. A degree or a level, subtropical, substandard, sub-zero. Or a division, a smaller part of a whole, to subdivide. Now, for example, a substitute is a person who takes place the place of someone else. Or a submarine sandwich, a subscription, you pay your subs. A subreddit, it's not a full Reddit, it's a subreddit. Okay, so sub. The submarine explored the depths of the ocean. We took the underground, or subway in American, but for me a subway goes under a road because I'm British. We took the subway to get across the city, to submerge, to put underwater. The floodwaters began to submerge the lower fields. She treated her subordinate employee with great respect. They decided to subdivide the large plot of land into smaller plots. The temperature remained sub-zero for the entire week. Parts of Spain have a subtropical climate. Fear of failure was in his subconscious mind, so underneath the surface. A substitute, a subscription, a subreddit, okay, a subcategory. Each main folder is divided into several subcategories for better organization. So under or below the level, the subsoil, or less important, a sub-lieutenant, or part of a bigger whole, a subsection, a subcommittee. Not as good as other things, substandard, subnormal, almost subtropical heat. So it's not tropical, but it's nearly tropical. So a sub in YouTube is a subscription as well. So subaqua, a sub-basement, a subcast, a sub-department, a sub-discipline. Okay, so these are all below or underneath or slightly less than. Not quite making it. A subcommittee, a subcontinent. So India is a subcontinent. It's not a whole continent on its own. A subcontractor, a subculture, a sub-editor. Okay, so sub, below, less than. not complete, divided into pieces underneath, subsolar, or lower in rank, a subaltern, or to a lesser degree, subhuman, or to divide into smaller bits, a subdivision or a subspecies. Nearly, it's subalpine, almost, subteen, a tween. Okay, so sub. I think I'm going to give all of these a 5 in formality as a group. So the prefix sub. Bye for now.